So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT, we just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong. Or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Ayan. It's Monday again. Wait lang. All right. So it's Monday again. It's September 26th. This would be the last Monday of this month. And balita ko may bagyo dyan sa QC or somewhere in Manila. Signal number 4. I'm not sure if tama yung nakuha ko na info sa Facebook. 4 or 5? Was it 4? And I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys is safe. Lalo na sa mga students natin. And of course, all all friends and family that we have there in Manila. So hope you're okay there, guys. Um, so shout out sa mga andito, guys. Si Boss Oliver, Austria, good afternoon. Andito din si Etsay. Cyrex. We have 920. Boss 920, no hi. Ayan. Si Ronnie, andito din. Joshua, what's up? We have Kyle here. We have Samson, andito din. Dean. Shout out pala sa August TI 2022. Kakagraduate lang nila noong Friday. Friday or Saturday? Basta. Last week. Ayan. And since andito yung mga other students, you still have what do you call this? Bonus sessions. And I believe today, Monday, you'll be having a session with Boss TL Lando. Ayan. If I'm not mistaken, So I'm really excited for you guys. There's so much in store for you inside Trading Republic, especially with the new batch of students. Yun, kita kits tonight. Shout out kay Tres na Emas. Ayan. We have Aaron Beren. Dito din si Maria. Hello. I think Maria is one of our students, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba to? Gary. We have Francis. And then Daisy. Good afternoon sa'yo. We have Zero as well. RM, good afternoon. Milo. We have Nikolai and Mark Nathaniel. Ayan. Good afternoon sa inyo, sir. We have John Harry. Good afternoon, idol. Si Tim, andito din. And Lawrence. Si Paul magbuhos. Nagbuhos ang ulan. Tsaka nagbuhos din yung stock market, guys. Last week. Binugbog tayo, guys. No? We have Bulo Sehe. Good afternoon, si Bien. Andito din. And, nagpapalevel daw sila. Alright, nagpapalevels para maka-access ng Drive Level 2, no? We have si Boss Samson, Gio, and we have Gani as well. Ang dami natin ngayon, Abner, what's up? Enrique Estrella, what's up, sir? And we have Sencho. Good afternoon din. Abroad Ako TV. Ayan. Si Abroad Ako TV, what's up, what's up? Hopefully, okay ka lang dyan sa abroad. And we have Rich XD. Kaya may mga humabol pa si Harold Kenneth tsaka si Glenn Columna. Good afternoon sa inyo, boss. Laxin check. All right. So let's get into it. What's happening with the current market and what would be our what do you call this? What would be our strategy, no, moving forward? We now share my screen. All right. Tingnan natin. So I'm now sharing my screen. Okay. Let's take a look at what's going on with the market right now. Tech, may narinig ka bang background music o wala? Just to confirm. Wala. Okay. So, peke pala talaga. Peke. Ako lang nakakarinig. Sorry, excuse me. All right. So, PSE. Let's take a look at PSE. What's happening right now? PSE is bound for a short-term bounce. Looking at it, our index actually respects over sold levels. So, we're reaching around around 32 RSI, and maybe it can still go down below 30 and might bounce around 25 or below 30. So the strategy that I have right now is basically not trading. So look at the market. Off muna natin yung ano, yung wait lang, how do we hindi ko na makita yung iba. Alright, anyways, di ba may button to hide the indicators? Saan ba yan, guys? Huh? Uh-huh. Oh, nope. Nope. Oh. Okay, hindi ko na makita. Asa na yon. Anyways. Anyways. Middle left mo, boss. Teka lang. Middle left. So, di ba dito yon? Parang may button na write down something. Pero hindi ko na makita. Why is that? You know, hindi ko makita may indicators. Anyways, mamaya na lang. Let's take a look at what's going on with the market right now. So, like I've mentioned, PSE is bound for a bounce, but this bounce, do not expect anything from it. Yung baba ng padlock. Yung baba ng padlock. Ay, drawings lang pala to. Okay. Hide indicators. Ayun! Ayun naman pala, bossing. Alright. Ayan. Okay, very good. So looking at it, thank you very much, Paul Olado. Shout out sa'yo for helping out. So looking at it, right, with all the crazy things that's going on with the economy right now, we have, if you're gonna take a look at the stock market of Germany, Japan, US, sila doon bumabagsak din. Hindi lang Philippines, guys, no? So, huwag kayo maniwala dyan sa social media na, okay, kasi, presidente natin, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos bumabagsak yung, natin, or walang kwenta yung government officials natin, whatever. No, I'm not being political, but if you're gonna take a look at other stock market too, outside the Philippines, lahat bumabagsak. Pati crypto, guys, bumabagsak. So, siya, affected tayo lahat, no? Affected tayo lahat. So, looking at it, looking at the weekly chart, tingnan nyo, super big volume, super big candle, no? Pababa yung PSE. So, what we're expecting, actually, I've shared this before, no? I'm actually expecting that the market will go down and break 6,100 area and maybe revisit around 5.8. So I know malala siya. I know malala siya na, what do you call this scenario, no? But what's good with that is ma-flash out yung mga weak holders or mga long-term holders dito na banda, right? Ma-flash out sila and then back to accumulation mode here. Okay? Flash out. Actually, I've talked to 3 traders already that ito mga traders na to has been trading for more than 20 years. Isa 35 years, isa 20 years. So I've talked to them and asked them ano bang gusto nyo, ano bang potential gagawin ng market and all that. So looking at it, we're expecting to have a one more leg down. So market, basagin niya yung potential support and maybe do a bounce somewhere 5,800. Short term though, there is a potential bounce dito sa market natin. Potentially mag-bounce siya dyan or maybe still drop this week and then bounce. But that does not necessarily mean na the market is okay already. This is just basically a dead cat bounce. After the bounce, we're expecting the market to stall or maybe continue to go down some more. Okay? So, yan yung mga expectations natin. Now, our strategy for this type of market. Okay, our strategy for this type of market. What would be the strategy? Okay, so like I've mentioned before, number 1, okay. So, I've mentioned before that trading is not trading is not ano, parang requirement, no? Okay lang hindi mag-trade, but learning should always be a thing that you need to do every day or every week. So our strategy is basically just look at the market. We're currently on watch mode, right? Now, while doing watch mode, study cases wherein kailan nagbabounce yung market and what strategies that is effective on a bounce market or a reversal market. It's number one. So watch mode. Two, if you're trading, again, trade lightly. Trade lightly. Okay. And avoid breakout trades. Okay. Avoid breakout trades. If you're gonna do breakout trades right now, most likely those area, nangyayari is nagiging liquidity area siya for institutional traders to sell. So I'm gonna give you a drawing here, no? Kunyari, ito yung stock na tinitingnan mo. You're trying to buy the breakout here, right? So on this breakout, liquidity pumapasok. Okay? During that breakout trade, liquidity pumapasok. Meaning a lot of retail traders will buy there. And the institutional traders would be selling at this level. So ang buy nila would be somewhere here. That would be their buy. And then their sell would be anything above the breakout level. So ito yung sinisqueeze nila na levels from here to here. All right. Now, if you are buying breakout trades over here and you're expecting a continuation, ang usually ginagawa is since binebentahan nila yan, bumabagsak, di ba? Tapos may isang ganyan pa and you thought that, this is a potential continuation move, usually nangyayari is bumabagsak siya because there's nobody pushing the price. Again, as retail traders, nakikisabay lang tayo sa mga blue whales. Okay? So, looking at it, just avoid trying to do breakout trades. Okay? Avoid it. Make sure if you're trading right now, you trade lightly and go with the swings, buying usually at potential support and selling it on breakouts or above breakouts. That's what I've been doing, for the last week. Or actually, hindi na nga ako nagte-trade last week. Last week, may mga 2 trades lang ako ginawa. Okay? So, let's watch mode, study, trade lightly, okay? And of course, ito talaga yung pinaka-important, protect your capital. Capital. Okay? Not just your financial capital, but also your psych. Okay? So, hindi lang siya yung portfolio mo, but also is your psych. So, kasi kahit what do you call this? You have an intact portfolio, but your trading psych is nabawasan. The confidence level there, once the market tries to bounce, you would not be able to execute your trades because of lacking of that capital, your mindset mo, no, your trading psych capital. All right. So that is mostly confidence. Now we'll talk about some stuff first. Is wala naman masyadong movers, guys. There's actually just one or two. We have LR and I forgot the other one. And then the rest are bounces and walang continuation na nangyari, no? So here's the typical thing that retail traders do. Okay? And ito yung gusto nating iwasan, no? Sa mga listeners natin dyan. This is what we're trying to avoid as much as possible. Okay. When the market is going down, the aggressiveness of these traders still goes up. nagte-trade pa rin sila nagte-trade. So, ang nangyayari is, even though the market is down, what happens is, what? This trader still trades. Okay? So, market is going down, you are still trading, okay? And then, the market continues to go down. Market continues to go down. Okay? And what happened is, ito nangyayari sa equity curve mo. So, this is the market, the white one, market. And this one, the red one, is you. That's you. Okay, this is your equity curve. Equity curve. Sa baba. Now, the aggressiveness that you have, you keep on trading while the market is down. And then usually is, yung equity curve mo, bumabagsak. Okay? Bakit? Kasi sinasabayan mo yung market na pagbagsak. Usually, losses would be, mas marami kang losses na matatanggap dito. Okay? So, losses, ganyan, while you're still trading, while the market is down. So, say, for example, you started your account for like, say, 100K. And then, ganyan, di ba? Dito yung 100K mo. Or maybe somewhere here. Okay? So, bumabagsak siya. Right? Bumabagsak siya. Then yung equity curve mo. And ang nangyayari, of course, the market tries to recover kasi puro losses ka na dito. Try to bottom and then try to reverse. While you, on the other hand, ang nangyayari sa iyo is what? Okay? Yung confidence level mo here is bumabagsak. Confidence level mo bumabagsak. Well, the market is trying to reverse. Okay? So, mas nagiging less aggressive ka dito kasi bakit? Malaki na yung loss mo. You're down already maybe 25%. Okay? Maybe 25%. You're down 25%. So, when the market gives you an opportunity, what happens is, yung aggressiveness mo, bumababa. Yung confidence mo, bumababa. Right? So, the market tries to rally. The market tries to continue the move, right? High. While you, on the other hand, mas nagiging less aggressive ka. Okay? So, less aggressive ka. Kasi nga, lugi ka. Okay? The confidence level that you have is already down. Negative 25% ka na. Now, once the market continues to go up, okay, ikaw, nakikita mo sa Facebook or maybe your classmates is looking at, may mga port stops na naman sila, di ba? You have breakout trades na tumutuloy and then you there thinking na, okay, baka pwede na ulit, di ba? Baka pwede na ulit. And then you start to get aggressive again, right? So here, while the market is already making pullbacks, no? May lower high na yung market. Ayan. May lower high na yung market. Of course, ikaw nananalo ka na naman because you traded on a good market, pero hindi mo alam na it was a toppish market. So, anong nangyayari sa'yo? Nagkakaroon ka na ng wins, nagre-recover yung confidence level mo, right? And then, boom, market goes down. While you keeps on going and trading. Okay? So, kita mo yung ginagawa mo versus the market. This is the market. The market is doing a bad job here. It's going down and then you keep on trading. Now, your confidence or aggressiveness nagiging mababa na because of course you're losing too much already. And while the market's going down, you keep on trading and be aggressive. So, nangyayari more losses you incur here. This is the typical cycle of traders who don't know anything or any idea on what to do in this type of market. So, ito mismo yung cycle natin, no? So, ano nangyari? You are just creating series of lower highs and lower lows. Thus, equity curve is bumabagsak from 100K, maybe you lost already 50% of it. You're down negative 50%. And what do? You blame the market, of course. Right? So, ganyan yung nangyayari. Ganyan yung nangyayari sa atin. So, you're down already 50% because hindi mo sinusundan yung flow ng market. So, I hope you guys would be able to internalize this. Think about this very clearly. And the worst part here, 50% down ka na, di ba? Mag all in ako, allocation ako ng malaki para pag mananalo ako, 'di ba? Up na ako ng 25%, lost na lang ako ng negative 25. If I win in an all in trade or maybe big leverage on the trades, pag nanalo ako dito, bawi ko na ng negative 50% or maybe down na lang ako ng negative 25. So, what happens usually, the more aggressive trades that you do, right? Nagiging aggressive ka, okay? Yan yung ginagawa mo as a trader. Nangyayari, nag-times 50 ka, leverage, Brad. Wala leverage sa PSE, no? Pero I'm just making a general explanation whether you're going for all-in trades in PSE or maybe in crypto or US. 50 leverage, all-in. All-in. Ayan. So, grabe na. All-time high na yung ka-high mo dito, guys. Okay? Na-break mo na yung na-break mo na yung boss breakout natin dito. Alright? So, all-in leverage or maybe you wanna go, Makabawi syndrome and do over trading. Okay? Because of nga, gusto mong bawiin yung loss mo na portfolio. So, what usually happens here, is it good or bad? What usually happens here is the other way around. Bumabagsak usually, palalo yung portfolio. And nakatanggap ka na ng text ng best friend mo, no? Best friend mo. Sino yung best friend mo? Si Binance, di ba? Walang text sa PSE. So, you're down already. And then, traders quit because of heavy losses. They blame the market on their losses and all that. Right? So this is a cycle that we want to avoid as much as possible. If the market is not on the right condition, mag-save ka ng bala. Right? Now, here's the thing. If you have gained a good run for the second half ng market. So, what you do is basically sundan mo kung ano yung galaw ng market. If the market is going up, you as a trader also goes aggressive. Right? When the market tries to go down, you on the other hand also needs you to follow what the market is doing. So less trades, less aggressiveness, protect your mental health, right? The market tries to recover again, going up. You also follow the market, right? Be aggressive. If you do that, what happens here is that instead of you getting this type of equity curve, ang mangyayari sa iyo is mataas yung equity curve mo. Pag bumabagsak yung market, bumabagsak din yung equity curve mo. Right? And then you go aggressive ulit pag the market is reversing. Thus, making series of higher highs and higher lows. So that's what we want to achieve. This type of movement. All right? So if you will understand how it works, if you really understand what trading is all about, right? I'm pretty sure, no, that you'd be able to make money when the time is right. When the market tries to reverse already. Hindi katulad ng iba na pag down yung market, down din yung port. Pag up yung market, up din yung port. Okay? What we want to do is that pag down yung market, down ka rin pero onti lang. Pag up yung market, up ka big time. Alright? So, goods ba tayo dyan, guys? Pa-comment naman. Goods sa comment section if you were able to get how trading is and what would be the strategy that we will be using on this type of market. Right? Thank you very much, Boss Fritz. Goods na goods, sabi ni Ronnie. Shout out kay Ronnie. And we have Paul, Rich, and Silex. Okay. So in all this, risk management is the key. Okay? Ito talaga yung heart natin, no? Risk management. A lot of people management. A lot of people focus too much on the upside but never protects the downside. Risk management also talks about being a resilient trader. Okay? And sinong taga-TR dito na nakapag attend sa talk natin about being a resilient trader? So I've discussed there that we have 3 foundation. You need to take a look at your psych, right? Your mental, your physiological, and of course your portfolio, right? Or trading capital. So those are the 3. If you will be able to manage all of those things, type natin, trading capital, um, health capital or your physiological capital, your psych capital. These are the 3 components for you to be able to be a resilient trader, right? So focus on this 3 and you will be able to survive the markets. Okay, so I hope may nakuha kayo doon, guys, no? Nasa April 2021 FGD mo ata yan, Boss Yuri. Yes. And then shout out kay Tet, Miss TL Tet, no? He has also a webinar about it inside Trading Republic about the trading no, not the trading part, no, but all ano ba yung niya? I think more about the protection side, if I'm not mistaken. Insurance, and of course that refers as well sa trading capital mo, no? Because it includes personal wealth. So protecting your wealth in case you get sick or what something happens to you, ma-hospital ka, whatever. So I hope you guys will look at that webinar. So sobrang ganda. TLTET is also one of the heads sa FinLit, no? Financial Literacy program ng ZFT or Trading Republic. Okay lah. Now let's take a look at, since we have discussed our our strategy for this type of market, no? We'll go back to discussing specific stocks that we are looking at, no? We have runners here. So I'll first go with LR. LR, lumabas sa screener ko si LR. But I personally did not trade it and just choose to avoid trading this because of liquidity issues. But of course, this is still tradable, no? So we have this one. First RSI 70 over here, consolidate another RSI 70, and then good volume accumulation as well. And then we have a breakout coming from here and registered around 50%. So personally, I think I'll be selling here or not. You go to a shorter time frame. So look at ano ba yung tinatrail niya. It's trailing at 100 MA. Once 100 MA snaps, then you get out. That's one of the things that you can do in order to protect your profits. Alright, so may ganda sinabi ni abroad ako, no? So curious ako, asan kaya sa abroad to si Boss Abroad? So sabi niya, winning makes you confident. Confidence unchecked can lead to greed. Greed can lead to disrespect of risk management. Napakaganda. Napakaganda. Oh, yung talk pala sa TR, no, sa ZFT na resilience is naka-public pala yun, guys. Oh yeah, I remember, no, live session pala yun, no? So you can check it out and listen. I've discussed a lot of things there and hope you would be able to get some things there. All right. So napakaganda. So we have LR. The second one is SSP. Ay, ano ba to? Ayan, SSP. So second one is SSP. Looking at it, it's basically a good runner, no? Pakaganda na move, tight movement, and then run up. So this one is a liquid too, but of course tradable pa rin siya. If you're going for a little position size only. So approaching siya, resistance 175. I'm not like I've mentioned, I avoid breakout trades. Ito, ina-avoid ko yan. Usually, binibentahan tong area na to. So, don't expect magiging LR lahat, guys. Just saying, no? If it do make a monster move, then good. But just to set the expectations right na, we are currently on a bad market. So, dahan-dahan sa medyo matataas na TP. Alright? So, think about this, no? May dalawang stocks na ganyan na nangyari on a bear market. Di sayang, nagbenta ka tas tumaas, no? So, imagine this. Sa lahat ng stocks na trade mo, dalawa lang yung tumaas na ganyan on a bear market or downward market. Ang 20, bagsak. Right? So, probability-wise, I know that you will say that, ang LR nga tumataas eh. Diba? Kahit bumabagsak yung market. Yes, pero ilang stocks yung na-trade mo before mo nakuha yung LR? Ilang losses yung na-incur mo before ka makatrade ng ganyan? Instead of being defensive already or making lower allocations or lower trading target prices, no? Yung 20 lost to. Dalawa lang yung nakuha ng ganyan na stock na hindi nag-continue. Yung 20 hindi nag-continue. So, yun. All right? So, always remember that we are not yet on a good market. I have one trade. We have Espenic. So, si Espenic lang yung trade ko. And Bloom, but cut ako doon, no? But I have Espenic. I'm holding right now. What happened is that very classic bounce play lang. Bumagsak siya ng negative 30%. And then it's approaching our potential support levels here. So, minarkahan ko siya from 131, 120, and 112. So, my buying range would be, pag hindi ito nag-hold yung 130, the buying range for me would be around 118, 120 to 125, 24. So, yan yung tinitignan ko. If hindi siya nag-112. Pero pag nag-112 siya, baka dito sa baba ako yung buying ko na mangyayari. So, I traded this. I went to 3-minute chart. So, ito yung tsura niya, guys. Yan. Looking at it. So, how did I make the buy? 120, bumagsak ng 118, nag-recover, nag-high as 125, and then bumagsak. And then I started buying already here. Noong nakita ko, we have multiple divergences on the 3-minute chart. Okay. You have multiple divergences. And then, nagkaroon ng higher low afterwards. Nung nagkaroon ng higher low afterwards, sundot-sundot na ng buy. May AP is 1.23. And then, that's how I bought. I bought 120, I bought 123, I bought 124. So, AP is around 1.23. So, ganyan yung naging buying ko kay Espenic bounce. Now, looking at it, unfortunately, napapangitan ako sa acceleration day niya. Why? Because look at the volume na pagtaas niya. Very, very low. Kalahati lang sa buy volume niya nung previous day. So most likely, I was thinking about around 140 to maybe if kaya 150 to sell. But I was looking at it, very weak siya. So I have now a bias na baka magkaroon pa ng one more drop si SPNEC next this week. No, baka magganon pa siya dito and maybe revisit around 112 or maybe mag-stall dito before siya magkaroon ng reversal. So ayun, maybe tingnan ko muna yung open niya tomorrow since walang trading day for today, and adjust accordingly. Maybe I'll be selling some here or some here if hindi talaga siya natuloy and wait for a consolidation or maybe another drop to 112. So adjust accordingly lang guys. A. Always adjust accordingly. So that would be Esprit. The one that I was trading to was actually Bloom, and this one is Cut. So actually, there are things that I learned about this trade na hindi ko siya na-apply, no? When I bought here, I should have sold here. Or at least, kumuha ng portion dito. And hindi ko na siya hinintay na magkaroon ng ganito, no? Tsaka dito. So, I was thinking that I bought at swing. Kasi pangit yung market. I should have been selling here, no? At least I gain around 3 or maybe around 4% on this trade. I was thinking na baka kayanin niya yung 8 pesos na breakout. But, that was too optimistic. But Bloom, so dito na tayo nagbenta guys with a small loss. Definitely Bloom is still very good, no? It's still holding at this level. That is a what we call a trend shift line in Trading Republic. So hoping that this area here would hold and just consolidate and try to make a VCP or maybe a tight consolidation before try to break out 8 pesos. Looking at the weekly chart, ayan tsura niya. So far, so good. All MAs are below prices as well. So baka may puruhan pa to siya maging outlier or maybe leader in the next few weeks or months. Going back kay SPNEC guys, weekly chart din pala yung tinitignan ko doon. Just so you know. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. So ito, baka magtaka kayo why I have lines there at 120 area. So ayan, yung tinitignan ko dyan. So 1, 2, 3 by day and then continuation, acceleration this week. So pwede ba siya another drop? Pwedeng 4, 5. But definitely a candidate for a potential bounce. So si abroad ako, Dubai pala siya. Pero Pinas na po ako now. Always watching your charging session every Monday. Silent viewer lang. Alright. So thank you. And more power sa iyo, boss. So hindi ka na abroad ako TV. Pinas ako TV. Dapat i-change mo na yan kasi nasa Pinas ka na. Nasa Pinas ka na, boss. So, ayan, Bloom. Looking at it. Going back kay Bloom. Wait lang. Yeah. This is going to be the watch list that I really want. All MAs are below price already. And then, we have multiple touches at resistance. Diba? Pag nag-break yan, ayan, 1, 2, 3. Pag nag-break yan, medyo yung 9, baka pwede pa niyang ma-take out. Alright? So, that's what we are doing as of the moment. ASEN, ito, X na sa atin to, no? Yak. Very yak. So, wala tayong tinitignan. Ito din, medyo yak, green. And this is one stock that a lot of people are looking at too, because even though the market is going down, it's just going sideways. Diba? Ganun lang yung ginagawa niya. So, I think Emperador is one of the strong stocks that's holding so far at bullish levels. So, ayun. Tingnan natin if we can take this trade or not. And SSP, we're done with this. SSI, cut din ako dito. So, nabenta na natin to. And then we have Balay. Balay, same thing. Very weak. ASEX as well. So, there would be bounces, guys. Expectation would be a little bounce and then afterwards, continuation drop. So, wag kayong magpaloko. SCC supposed to be is a good candidate too, but looking at it, wala. Very weak. No, hindi man lang niya ma-recover yung 41 area. So, may question dito si Boss Jason Kid Colobia. Boss, nag-journal ka pa ba ng trades? To be quite honest, I don't journal anymore. I'm handling multiple accounts, so medyo hindi ko na siya ma-journal. But, ang nangyari kasi, before, I was journaling religiously talaga. I know already my stats. I know where I can improve. Medyo pa ulit-ulit na lang siya, no? Medyo pa ulit-ulit na lang siya. Ang mga gino-journal ko na, hindi na siya quantitative. Quantitative meaning is the data that you have, like entries, exits, things that I can improve on the trade, bakit ganito yung execution, ano ba yung risk reward that tinake ko dito. That is quantitative. And if you're starting as a trader, meaning starting from 1 year to 3 years to 5 years, that's a starting point ng trader. So, yan yung level 1 for me. From 1 to 2, 3 years to 5 years. Minsan, umabot na 5 years. That's level 1. So, dapat, on that range, dapat nag-journal ka talaga. Kasi you need to look at the numbers. Saan ka ba malakas? Saan ka ba setups malakas? Saan ka ba sanay? Saan ka ba mahina? Saan ka ba dapat mag-improve na area? So, you really need the journal because you cannot improve what you don't measure. Okay? Always remember that. You cannot improve what you don't measure. So, always remember to do journals. Improve. Okay? Always remember that. Now, in my case, I still journal, but my journal is now qualitative. So, qualitative. What does it mean? Like, more about the mindset. What am I thinking in this trade? How am I feeling? Am I confident to take the trade? Ganon. Ganon na. What did I do before taking the trade? Was I in a series of losses or series of wins? Did that affect me on my execution and my bias? So that is qualitative. Now, when I started, I do quantitative and qualitative. Both of the things needed talaga if you really want to improve on your trades. Hindi lang execute. But wala kang idea kung saan ka, saan ka dapat mag-improve. So, sabi ni Paul, AEV sir, mukhang okay for swing sa 100 MA. Now, before we look at AEV, let's also take a look at, before that pala, no? Plug na natin, no? Malapit na tayo mag-announce regarding the changes that we're gonna do with 2trade Asia. So, again, guys, plug na natin if you still don't have any accounts with 2trade, or maybe you want to transfer one broker to another, all you need to do is just click the link that we have provided, and there are a few free lessons there. May mga live sessions in time when it comes to investing. Actually, we had one last week. May investing na live session tayo with some traders. So andun, you can take a look at that. I think may question dito before. Si Brian. I think si Brian may question. Brian Mercado, no? Sir Yuri, magkano po ba ang panimula capital pag mag-start ka sa US market? I decided muna kasi mag-join sa ZFT bago mag-start at maglagay ng capital. Ayoko na masunog ulit. Alright, so this is a good question, no? I think the pinakamaliit na account na pwede mong at least from what I know, no, is 25,000 pesos. Okay? That is in Trade Zero. So with that, you can actually do leverage and ma-extend mo pa yung portfolio mo times 4 ata or times 6, something. But sa shorting, times 2 lang, if I'm not mistaken. So start with that small amount, 25,000. on the US market, or maybe if you want to cut, you can stretch it to 50, pwede. You can now take trades there in the US market. So if you really are very new, huwag ka talagang maglagay ng malaking pera, especially in this type of market na pabagsak, no? So, Amil, my question, kapag nag-transfer po ba ng funds sa 2trade, real-time mag-reflect, and need pa rin ba mag-send ng SS ng online transaction? Yes, I think real-time within the day. You just need to email their screenshot, of course, with the transaction para mas mapabilis. But I believe within the day, goods na. All right. So, may sabi dito si Lynn, all HC daw. Let's take a look at Yuck. So, these are the stocks that you don't really want to mess up with. Ayaw natin mga ganito, guys, no? Pabagsak. Other than that, I think yun lang yung AAV pala. Sorry, nakalimutan yung sinabi ni boss, So, si LR and SSP lang yung medyo maganda-ganda na structure. AV, okay. So, okay, maganda siya actually, AV. There are some stocks that are still holding, no, to good basis and good consolidations. So, yep, okay. AV is good. JFC, oh, weekly pala yun, guys. Yan. Ito pala siya, guys, oh. Sa daily chart. Naka-weekly pala yun. So looking at it, yep, it's trying to form like a diamond pattern or whatever. Tignan natin if there would be a continuation. Because nag-stall lang siya, even the market is going down. So, yep. JFC, okay, Jollibee nalaglag siya. So, hindi na siya masarap, guys. Nawala yung pagka-crispy niya. FNI daw, sabi ni with mining. Here's what I think. There's no accumulation whatsoever with the volume. If there is someone accumulating it, you'd see it in the volume. Magre-reflect yan dito. But unfortunately, wala talaga akong makita. So I'm gonna say pass on it. Nickel, same thing. I'm gonna say pass on it. So not sure if mining stocks are good. Tignan ko yung chart ng mini sector. Mining yun, no. Wala masyadong galaw. So I think DMC lang yung isa din sa mga strong stocks na pwedeng ma-trade. AMI. Ano to? So EMI, yan, EMI. Those are the stocks that I'm currently looking at. But to be quite honest, guys, as in, I try to avoid trading up until I see signals na medyo okay na. So, ayun, be very careful lang to trade stocks. Baka magsauli lang kayo ng mga gains or magka-losses lang kayo, guys. But then again, keep on watching the market and look at potential leaders, no? Same thing. Wala pa ako makita na leader except yung mga illiquid na LR, SSP. Other than that, I could not see any stocks that is tradable. Bounces, I'm looking at this one. Just like SPNEC, no? I love bounces, but this is one of the hardest plays that we have in the market, yung bounce space. Converge, I'm looking at it. We'll be adding this one to our watch lists because of potential bounce. So, quick play, not a buy and hold, guys. This is just a quick play. Pulot and then bato. Okay? So, gagawan natin to ng plano if in case we'll have an opportunity to trade this stock. So, I think natanggal to sa MSCI. Kaya nagkaroon ng down movement. But volatility, we love volatility. There is volatility. Andun tayo dyan, guys. Okay? Sabay tayo sa volatility. So may volume there. We'll look at potential divergences and of course, support levels na kailangan nating hanapin dito. So we have order blocks here. Yan. Dapat nating tignan yan. We'll go weekly. Weekly chart. Ayan. Very clear pala sa weekly, guys. So, ayan. So, and pwede pa. Pwede pang drop, no? So, ito yung mga paborito ko eh. Yung pag bumagsak pa siya, tapos dito, banda, magkaroon ng buying, right, at this level. After the support. Yan, pwede. And then, bato-bato sa 16 if ever kaya. 18, 9, 10. Kahit mga 10%, 12% kaya eh. Minimum amount, 10K, boss. 10K. Robin, just 10K pesos can actually open an account already. Wilcon, we'll go Wilcon. Yeah, Wilcon too. Ayan, nakakahon pala si Wilcon, no? Yes, so far, so good. Aslag, no. Avoid this. By the way, sa mga new viewers natin dyan, no? We're looking at the lens of a trader, not an investor. So you might think na potentially opportunity to buy siya, but in my eyes, it's an avoid if it's not going up. Okay? So always remember, guys, that I'm looking at as a trader lens. I'm not an investor. I'm a short-term trader to mid-term trader. So if I see something like this, I just basically avoid. Definitely avoid. All right. So I think that's it. So hopefully, guys, may nakuha ka kayo doon sa discussion natin sa first part, no? Even though wala masyadong stocks na na-discuss natin, because of course, the market is not good. We only have 2 stocks that are very good as of the moment, LR and SSP, and some blue chips like Wilcon, AAV, JFC, and bounces, Espinec, and Converge. I think yun lang nag-rotate, no? So, prayers for the people who are in Manila, who's affected with the bagyo, no? Sa Luzon part. Hope you guys are okay and keep yourself warm and dry. We'll be praying for you guys. All right? So, I guess that's it. Stay safe, guys. Kahit hindi siya nagstay, basta safe ka lang. Basta safe ka lang, guys. Kahit hindi siya nagstay, basta safe ka lang. Okay? Okay? Sige. So, that's it. Thank you very much. This has been your hosts. You're delicious. Stay delicious, guys. Bye.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.